All right. We are going to read about tractors. Tractors are big vehicles that are on farms. They have big wheels. This one's carrying something, but they have big wheels and they can do a lot of things. They can move things around the farm. They can move around soil and the dirt to help things grow better. And they really just help different vegetables, like we learned yesterday, different vegetables grow because they help the soil and the ground around it. We're going to read this, answer questions, and then we're going to do some sight word work. Our title is, put your finger on the title, is tractors. If you want, you can do a search of tractors on Google and you can see a bunch of different size tractors and you can kind of see what they do. All right, here we go. Follow along with me. Tractors can do many different jobs on the farm. They plow earth, plant seeds, and harvest crops. That means help crops grow. Crops are like different foods. Like it could be corn or it could be different vegetables, stuff that grows out of the ground. That's a crop. They can also take people on hay rides. Have you ever been on a hay ride? That's fun, actually. Tractors, they'll carry a big trailer, put hay in it, and it's kind of bouncy. You bounce up and down along the hay ride. It's fun. You sit on hay. That's why it's called a hay ride. Tractors are busy and helpful machines. Kind of looks like a car. You know, I'm going to read that all over again because I was super distracted and excited about all the different things the tractors can do. Okay, so I'm going to read this again. Tractors can do many different jobs on the farm. I got to look at it like this. They plow earth, plant seeds, and harvest crops. They can also take people on hay rides. Tractors are busy and helpful machines. Okay, you know the drill. I'm going to read the question. You're going to put your answer and we're going to check back in the story to see what the answer is. Number 1. What was the story about? What did we just read about? Pumpkins, tractors, or acorns? You put your answer. I don't think we need to check back. Where do tractors do many jobs? In the garden, in a corn maze, or on a farm? Circle what you think, and then we're going to go back and see what the story says. Here I'm reading. Tractors can do many different jobs on the farm. On the farm. Number 3. What do tractors harvest? What do they harvest? Crops, apples, or corn? Crops, apples, or corn? Here it says they plow earth, plant seeds, and harvest crops. Remember, that's our new word. What can tractors take people on? What do they take people on? Hay rides, a maze, or a dirt road? Circle, circle. It says they can also take people on hay rides. All right. Number 5. What are busy and helpful machines? Computers, tractors, or cars? The story says, tractors are busy and helpful machines. And we have one more. This is your opinion. An opinion is something that you decide. Okay, there's no right or wrong answer. It says, do you like tractors? Answer yes or no. All right, I want to read this story with you again, and then we're going to circle all the sight words. All right. I want you to read this with me. I need to move my chair in so I'm not bending over so much. Back's hurting. Okay. Read along with me. Tractors can do many different jobs on the farm. They plow earth, plant seeds, and harvest crops. They can also take people on hay rides. Tractors are busy and helpful machines. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. I want you to grab a pencil, a crayon, colored pencil, a marker, whatever you have, and we are going to circle all of the sight words that we are practicing together. As I read, I'm going to tell you which ones to circle, and then we're going to go over them. Okay. Number 1. Oh, there's no numbers. I don't know why I said that. We're going to read. Okay. Tractors can is a sight word, circle it. Do is a sight word, circle it. Many different jobs on, circle. The, circle. Farm. Okay, so that first sentence, we have can, do, on, and the. They plow earth, plant seeds, and harvest crops. Second sentence, how many sight words did we see here? Only one. Moving down here, they can, we have can up here, it says it again, also take people on hay rides. Tractors are busy and helpful machines. So we did are and. Count how many sight words all together we have in this story. How many did you get? I got 9 words. Okay? 9 words. But some of them repeat, so it's not even 9 different words, just 9 words all together. Now, I am going to write a word so that we can practice. All right, first word coming up. What does this say? Can. Can. Do. Do. So sight words do not always sound like themselves. That's why we just have to memorize them over and over again. They'll get easier the more you do it. What does this say? The. I want you to say them out loud. On. This says on. Are. Are. Okay. Now what I'm going to have you do is point to the right word. I want you to point to the word can. Can. This one. This says can. Okay, I want you to point to the word and. And. This says and. Point to the word the or the. This says the. Point to the word are. Are. You are nice. This says are. Now I'm going to write them all out and we are going to repeat them. Or I should say, read them together. Okay, here are our 6 words. 6 words. Repeat with me. And, do, on, the, and, are. Do, and, can, the, are, on, do. Okay, what's this one? Can, do, on, the, and, are. Okay, now we're going to read back through the story. And when we get to a sight word, you are going to say it. So follow along with me because I might have crossed mine out. So I didn't say them twice. Okay. Tractors. What is this word? Can do many different jobs on the farm. They plow earth, plant seeds, and harvest crops. I crossed these out. My apologies. Read on your paper. They can also take people on hay rides. Tractors are busy and helpful machines. Okay, so when we know sight words, we can read a lot of a story. So keep practicing those, and I will see you soon for math.